parents, moms out there, educators that are thinking about buying Preschool in a Box. It's the best investment you can make. I purchased it about 3-4 months ago, and I've been following Joy every step of the way. And so here we are in our center, and we're going to be opening up really soon. This is our center coming soon. Getting the paint up. There's my daughter, my grandkids. Hey guys look, say hi.
Hi.
Are you guys excited for the center?
Yeah.
Are you gonna love it?
Yeah.
Hey, say thanks, Joy.
Thanks, Joy.
Joy, thank you for showing me how to open my own preschool, my own learning center, and we'll be opening up pretty soon. Thank you. Take care, everybody.
Hey, have you heard about Preschool in a Box? It's literally the one thing I wished I had when I started my preschool 10 years ago. It would have saved me so much time and so much money. Instead, I did the wrong things at the wrong time. Waste of time, I tell you. I can't wait to tell you all about Preschool in a Box. All the things I wish I had, like curriculum. Oh my gosh, can I even tell you how many hours I spent every single night on Pinterest and Facebook groups and the blogs and Google trying to find activities to do for lessons the next day. Or forms. What the heck was I supposed to give to my preschool families? What was I supposed to include in a policies and procedures handbook? Or marketing. How was I supposed to sign up kids? I had a preschool to fill and I had money that I needed at the end of the month, but how was I going to get that tuition, right? All of those components are inside of Preschool in a Box and a whole lot more. I want to get you Preschool in a Box. I've got an exclusive opportunity for you. When you join our Preschool All-Stars membership, not only will you be surrounded by myself and hundreds of preschool owners cheering you on during your journey, you get an exclusive discount on Preschool in a Box. I'm talking out of this world. When people see it, they kind of lose their mind. They're so excited, ready to grab it right away. I can't wait to get you your exclusive discount on Preschool in a Box. Just join Preschool All-Stars. Click the link in the description or go to preschoolallstars.com. It's gonna be like Christmas.